Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a digital service designed for testing, demos, merchant flow checks, and training purposes. If you work with wallets, payment apps, trading interfaces, or digital systems, you know how important instant demo balance is. So let's break down exactly how this demo tool works, the pricing, and how you can get it through the official platform. This service provides temporary demo balance, often referred to as flash funds or gaming fund or trading practice balance. Remember, this is not real financial transfer and not permanent crypto. Its purpose is simple: to help developers, testers, trainers, and learners see how wallets behave when balance appears instantly. Cut to on-screen examples: Wallet UI, Balance Simulation, Transaction Preview. This helps in situations like training new users on how wallet activity looks, demoing a merchant payment flow, practicing entry and exit techniques on trading interfaces, checking UI performance under balance updates, running simulations before going live. The key idea is speed. You get instant temporary balance so you can test, practice, and learn without using real funds. Here's the basic logic behind how the demo balance system works. Step 1. You provide your wallet address or the platform you want to test. Step 2. The system sends a temporary, non-permanent balance that shows up instantly on your interface. Step 3. You can now check your UI behavior, transaction appearance, balance update performance, merchant request flow, demo, or training scenarios. Step 4. After a certain period, the balance naturally disappears or resets because it is not real, not permanent, and not usable for financial transactions. This makes it perfect for instructors, app testers, and people who need a safe, controlled environment. The pricing is based on how much demo balance you want to generate and for how long you need it. For the latest pricing, you can check directly on the official website, buyflashnow.com. There you'll usually find packages like Gaming Fund Small Demo Package, Medium Testing Balance, Large Training Plus Merchant Flow Package, Custom or Bulk Request. The pricing may change depending on demand, amount, or the duration of the demo balance. Always check the website directly, because that's where the updated and correct figures are available. If you're ready to purchase your demo balance tool, here's the exact process. Step 1. Visit the official website. Open your browser and go to buyflashnow.com. You'll see a clean interface with available plans. Step 2. Choose your package. Select the demo balance amount that matches your testing or training needs. Step 3. Provide your details. You'll enter the wallet address or platform ID where you want the temporary balance to appear. Step 4. Make your payment. Complete the payment using the supported methods listed on the website. Choose the one that's easiest for you. Step 5. Delivery. After confirmation, the demo balance is delivered, typically within minutes. You'll see your balance appear instantly on your interface, ready for testing or training. If you have any questions, need help choosing a package, or want custom training balance options, you can reach the support team directly through WhatsApp, +92 319 474 9665. They're responsive and guide you through the whole process. So that's a complete overview of how the demo balance system works, what it's used for, and how you can get it from buyflashnow.com. If you need fast, temporary balance for learning, testing, or demo purposes, this tool gives you a simple and efficient solution. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more tutorials on the website.